Hello, today I have a lovely Easter wreath for you. The materials that I used to make this wreath are all from Dollar Tree. You'll need a 14-inch square wreath form. I've chosen some pink and white ribbon for my bows, and also I bought a fun patterned ribbon. I found this adorable bunny to go in the center of my wreath. You will need 3 bundles of this rope and some scissors and some hot glue. So I've started to put the rope around my wreath form and it's not tight enough. So I'm just going to go around and really tighten it up. So you want to, wherever you're gluing your pieces of rope together, you want that to be the back. You're going to use a bundle and a half of the rope on the one side and then a bundle and a half on the other side. Just make sure that you glue down the ends of the ropes. And once you've completed your rope on the 2 sides, we're going to begin to gather what you'll need for your patterned ribbon. We're going to start by cutting 4-inch strips. So you'll need 8 4-inch strips for each corner of your wreath. And so what I'm going to do is just take my pieces of ribbon and dovetail each end of them. Sometimes I'll put 4 or 5 pieces of ribbon together just to speed up the process a little bit. So I'm going to begin attaching my little pieces of ribbon to the corners of my wreath. So you want to have 5 pieces of ribbon on the outside bar, and then you want to have 3 pieces of ribbon on the middle bar. And when I glue them on, you can see that I kind of scrunch them together. And I just turned it over so that I have the back showing, and I'm just filling in any little holes that I see. So I'm just gluing a piece of material here and there wherever I see a hole. And now I'm going to attach my bunny. So I was originally going to just glue him onto the bars, but I don't feel like that's going to be secure enough and I don't want him to fall off. So I'm actually going to cut the middle bars, and I'm just going to put the bottom of the bunny sign through the bars. I am going to remove that really cute little hanger at the top. But I did really like it, and so I will attach it to the bottom later. And next I'm going to attach the top of the bunny. And here I'm just attaching some wire, just putting it through the hole and around the ear, and then attaching it to the bar. And I attached the wire right around that crossbar so that it's not going to slide around on the wreath. And now that I have my bunny secured on here, I could see a few more little holes that I wanted filled. So just attaching a few more little pieces of ribbon. And I'm using my bow maker to make my bow today. So I'm starting by putting in my pink ribbon, just one loop on each side for the bow, and the same for the white. And I've just attached my pink and white bows, and then I put the patterned bow on the top and attach that to them. And I'm just covering up where the holes were. And now I'm just going to attach that cute little hanger that came on the top of the bunny. So it's on a jute cord, and it's just little wooden white beads. And I'm just gluing the jute cord to the bar. I'm also just going to tie a little piece of jute to either side. Just tying the jute in a cute little bow on each side. And I'm just going to tie a little piece of ribbon at the back for a hanger. So I'm just going to come around the middle bar so that it stays in one spot. And I'm just adding a few pieces of ribbon to the back to cover up those wires, and just in case there's any little sharp edges poking out, and just to make it look a little nicer on the back. I absolutely love how this wreath turned out. I think it's just adorable. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber, you can hit that notification bell, and YouTube will notify you whenever I post a new video.